Hey everyone, want to uninstall FileZilla from your computer? In this video, I'll show you how to remove FileZilla step by step. Yeah, whether you're switching to another FTP client, troubleshooting problems, or freeing up storage space, this guide will help you uninstall FileZilla safely. First, close FileZilla completely if it's currently running. Make sure there are no active file transfers before starting the uninstall process. Next, open your computer's settings. If you're using Windows, go to Settings, then Apps, and select Installed Apps or Apps and Features. Find FileZilla in the list of installed programs. Click on it, choose Uninstall, and confirm the removal when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions from the Uninstall wizard. You know, the process usually takes only a few moments to remove the main FileZilla